Welcome to this book of memes, Bome analysis and price prediction. Book of memes, Bome looks so good. Look at the chart on the 4 hour time frame. Look at this price action. I think we have reached the bottom of this coin, and I believe that this Solana meme coin, book of memes, is going to make us lots of profit. So let's dive into this analysis and see what's going on here. Let's begin the analysis on the daily time frame. Let's see what has been going here on the daily time frame. Look at this, guys. Ever since it was launched on Binance, we saw this pump, and price has been moving downward, forming lower highs and lower lows. You can see it here, and we are at this point in time with price. I think this is a crucial zone that price needs to hold, and if price is able to hold this zone, then this should mark the bottom of this coin. I think from here we're gonna see price break structure and start making higher highs and higher lows. So what do we expect price to do from here? Do you have to get into this coin right now, or can you wait a little bit to see what price will do before you get into it? Now let's just mark these zones. These are important zones that you are going to look at before you get into it full time. Look at what price did when it was launched on Binance. You see price pump and it came to this area. Price pumped again, made lower highs. It came right down to this zone again, and price, we saw some sort of rejection. Price came down again, it break, it attempt and it came down, it break. Now it breaks, and now price is holding at the zone. So no matter what price does, price should not do this. Price must not go and do this nonsense like break down here and close. Then maybe price can do like this and keep going down to the downside. So what we expect price to do is price to break the structure, come back and hold. This is where you're buying. If say you want to be so conservative, you want to wait, be patient and wait for break of structure. But if you're someone who believe in this coin long term and you want to buy the coin, you can start DCA here. And if say I bring one of my favorite tool here, which is the Trendillo, you can see the Trendillo is still at the oversold area, and we are seeing divergence here. There's this divergence here that I think maybe we're gonna see more upside for this coin, because you can see divergence. What price is doing is opposite what the RSI is doing, and this Trendillo is one of my top RSI indicator. You can see this minor divergence. We can still see something like this. Price can still do something like this. That's why you saw me mark this. So if price does something like this, it should hold. Come here, hold. Then we might see a huge pump to the upside. But I think this zone is a crucial zone. If say you want to start DCA this coin, you can DCA this coin. Binance is one of the top holders of this coin. That's why I'm so bullish about the coin. If I go to Dex Screener, I'm going to see some stuff here that I want to show you based on the holders, some other data that I think is relevant for this project. You can see we have about 84,000 holders here, and the liquidity here is so huge, it's 400 million. And if we look at the daily time frame here, we're gonna see pretty good stuff. Also, you can see this triangle, and I want to see price respect this triangle. And if say we price respect this triangle, then this is gonna be good for us long term. So we just want to see price move around here. Price should do something like this. Price can just do something like this, guys. Do this. Or let me plug this first like this. Let me see if say I can get the other stuff, the brush. So let me get the brush. I love the brush more. So if I do this, go up, come down, go up, come down, then you can do something like this, then come down. That's when you are buying, because it has broken structure. So this is going to be on the daily time frame. You can see the chart on Dex Screener looks even more juicy. So price can do something like that, come right down, hold here, then that's when you're buying. Or you can start buying it here, then when price goes up, you cash out profit here, because price must retrace. It must retrace regardless what. So you can be buying here, it goes there, you take short-term profit, it retrace back here, you buy more, then you take the ride to the upside. So this is what I think could happen with book of memes. Let's even go down to lower time frame to see what we have here on 4 hours time frame for Dex Screener. So on Dex Screener, you can see properly what we must see, or what you should see before you get into this coin on the 4 hours time frame. This is what you want to see. Let me just take off this quickly, so I have a clean chart for you to experience. Now, this is what you want to see on the 4 hours time frame for this coin. What you see here, I think we have seen multiple rejection here. You can see, so this could be like price could do something like this. then come back, hold this zone, then move upward. So we can see if price form a W here on the 4 hours time frame. And if price get to this zone, how we want to confirm this is real is when it's going to be when price break above this and make higher highs, then come back to retest the same place again. So in this case, we're going to be able to draw a trend line here, because trend line follow price action. And if say trend line follow price action, then if you are able to draw this, you can anticipate what price might do in the future. And if say you want to get into this trade on the 1 hour time frame, let's also analyze what we might expect price to do on the 1 hour time frame. Let's take off this whole markup here, this drawings here, and analyze this on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can create this zone here. This is a zone. You can call this accumulation zone, and this zone is going to determine what price is going to do based on up or down trend. So based on this, let's say price break this zone to the downside, then we are going to favor more downside for price. But if price break to the upside, then we might expect price to do something like this, come back, hold it on the 1 hour time frame, then take the right to the upside. So this is how you can apply or get into this trade on the 1 hour time frame. And guys, I think this coin is one of the top meme coins out there that I'm looking at for long term, because Binance is holding most of the liquidity. Binance is one of the top holders of this coin, and I think that if Binance is one of the top holders of this coin, then there might be something good about the coin. So I don't know what you think about this. If you want to trade this coin, you can trade this coin on Bitunics. And if you want to trade this coin on Bitunics, make sure you go below the description of this video to use my Bitunics referral link. No KYC. If say you live in a country that require KYC, like in the United States and other places like UK, you can use Bitunics, and using my link, you're gonna be able to trade with me as well. So if you use my link, make sure you join my free Telegram group. This is the link to join my free Telegram group. And if say you want to get my buy and sell signal, take profit, join my VIP group. If you join my VIP group, then you're gonna get access to my buy, sell, take profit signal. Voila, guys, this is it for this video. I'm gonna keep doing more videos about Book of Memes Bome, because I think it's one of my top meme coins that I'm looking at every now and then, and I believe that this coin is gonna make us huge profit. Again, don't just rush to buy. Always be conservative. Always make sure that you are gonna be buying at the right time. Don't just rush because you see the coin pumping. Make sure you are able to use the Fibonacci retracement tool. Use it very well. Mark support and resistance. Look at market structure. If market structure is breaking, and if price break structure, and you respect the Fibonacci retracement tool, then that's when you're gonna go in full time. Don't just rush into it. This is one of the mistakes I made in the past, and ever since I corrected my mistakes, I've been making huge profit in the market, and I want you guys to experience the same thing. That's why I'm always gonna be here for you guys, sharing this amazing information to help you grow enormously. If you haven't yet subscribed and you love this, you want to be part of this community, go and subscribe. Make sure you use the link below to connect with me. You can even book a 15-minute free call with me. This is the link on my link tree. Go and book 15-minute free call with me. Let's discuss what you are going through. If say you have some issues with portfolio management, we can discuss about that. If you have an issue on when to buy, when to take out profit, we can talk about that. We can talk about all this stuff, but make sure you connect with me through my link tree. Having said all this good stuff, let's call it a go for today. Have a nice day, guys. Ciao.